our God is an awesome God. He reigns from heaven above with wisdom, power, love. Our God is an awesome God. Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evie. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So today I bring to you this homemade condensed milk recipe. Friends and family, you are gonna love it. It's thick and it's so sweet. So let's go. So in my cup, I add 2 cups of milk powder or needle or pig milk, and then 1 cup of sugar, and then 1 tablespoonful of cornstarch, which is optional. If you want it thick, then please add some cornstarch to it. So you can see I am putting everything together. So now I add 1.5 cup of water, and then stir it for the milk powder, the sugar, and the cornstarch to dissolve properly. So I have preheated my pot, so I'll just transfer my milk solution into my pan and then stir it gently till it thickens up. But please make sure you do this on a low to medium heat. So whilst you're stirring, you clean the edges because the edges thickens faster here. So you make sure you clean the edges, and then you are going to stir until it is ready. So we are going to stir for about 40 minutes. And you can see our homemade condensed milk is ready. And I love doing my own condensed milk because I control the amount of sugar I add to it. And it's thick also. Condensed milk, I get thick, I like it thick, just like you are seeing here. So after 40 to 50 minutes, our condensed milk is ready. So I'm just going to allow it to cool down, and then I transfer it into my beautiful jar. Yes, so I enjoy it with my Milo. I use for my smoothies, my pancakes, everything sweet. I am going to add my own condensed milk to it, and trust me, friends and family, it will take you to another level. You see how thick it is? And then how many of you remember this way back in school? Yes, we enjoy some bread with some condensed milk. Yes, so I am bringing this to you, and I know you are gonna try it. Thank you, friends and family, for how far we have come. It's a doing of the Lord, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. If you are new to my channel, thank you. God bless you. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Okay, so you see, now it's in my jar, and you can beautifully place it in your fridge. Anytime you want to enjoy some sweetness, you will just go for it. So thank you.